I'm Dr. Megan Clowse, and I'm a rheumatologist here at Duke Health. So I really take care of two different groups of patients. One is in the lupus clinic, so I take care of patients who have lupus. That's largely women, just because of lupus being a very women-dominant disease. And then I also see a lot of patients who are pregnant or want to become pregnant and have rheumatic disease. So that's really sort of a unique specialty that I have here at Duke. I have a specific clinic in which I see patients who have a range of rheumatic diseases, from lupus to rheumatoid arthritis to really any type of autoimmune process. And who want to become pregnant or are pregnant, and I see them throughout their pregnancy and share their care with an obstetrician. I got into lupus and pregnancy because of some patients I saw very early in my fellowship, patients who were wanted to have families and babies but were really struggling because of the activity of their disease. I even saw a patient who actually ended up dying from lupus and pregnancy. So it really captivated me and showed me that there was a real need in patients with rheumatic disease who wanted to build a family, and not a lot of people who are actually helping them figure out how to get there. When I work with a patient, I really try to understand their situation and the symptoms that they've had and how that impacts their life. And then I combine that with the health data that we have. So what their labs have been, what their radiology tests have shown, what prior medications have done for their disease. And I kind of work all that together, so I really understand sort of where the patient's situation is. And then I use all that information to come up with a plan with the patient that will get them to where they want to be. It's something I get a lot of fulfillment from, that helping women who often don't even think that they could have families, and they sort of had this dream that they could have a baby, and actually showing them how to make it a reality and having it be a really successful and positive experience is something that really brings me a lot of joy.